Amazing Grace is another person's path to Toy Story. Yay!
Amazing Grace is
Another person's path to Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Grace is
Another person's path to Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah, baby! And I am here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy story. And so for today, we have this wonderful toy from... Wow, look at this! This is from Abbott Laboratories. This is a chicken that seems to be promoting this particular drug or this particular antidote to some infections caused by bacteria. I don't know, I think the chicken is suffering from a little bit of bacterial problem here. That is why she has, or it has, Omnicef. Okay, she's wearing an apron and it says they're Omnicef and has the chemical scientific name of Omnicef. This is a very, very potent and very a wonderful drug for certain infections caused by bacteria, like I said, especially if it gets on the throat. And it was actually distributed by Abbott Laboratories, and it is wonderful, and I bet a lot of people have benefited from this wonderful drug. Maybe nowadays we still have Omnicef with better improvement and lesser side effects. And it's wonderful that these companies like Abbott Laboratories are constantly coming up with drugs that would aid us in certain problems, like for example, new viruses, new bacteria, so that we won't be exacerbating the situations that we are in. Right now, a lot of drug companies are actually investigating or making some research on how to combat the COVID-19. Yeah, the new coronavirus that was discovered in 2019, and I think most of them are already in the home stretch of actually coming up with a potent drug or antiviral injection, so that they can actually distribute it to people, and not so many people would have to suffer greatly from the adverse effect of these new diseases. Okay, now so going back to the Omnicef, isn't this great? It's a chicken. I don't know why they chose the chicken as a mascot or as a spokesperson for this drug. It's wonderful. It has some spots here, but apparently the chicken is very happy with the effects of Omnicef in a particular problem that she might be encountering. Okay, she's spotted. I don't think I've seen a chicken that looks like this. It's quite unusual. It actually looks like a Dalmatian, don't you think? And then well, it's also wearing some red shoes here, wonderful shoes, some sort of a Converse shoes, and yeah, basically that's it. There's a tag here that says Abbott Laboratories, and up there in front we have the Omnicef. Yeah, one of the greatest, one of the greatest wonder drug discoveries by Abbott Laboratories to combat infection caused by bacteria. Okay, now I'ma say this is just an amazing grace. So once again guys, let's try to be thankful for every amazing grace that come to our lives, be they in the form of this Omnicef chicken by Abbott Laboratories, or also be thankful for some of those drug companies that are constantly up in their toes to discover a lot of new drugs to face head on whatever turbulences, whatever hurdles that we have to face in life. Okay, these are wonderful drugs that will help us combat some of those viruses, some of those bacteria that we may encounter in our lives. Or basically, guys, let's be thankful for every amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly eventful ones, or just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And thank you also for tuning in to Percy's Fast Food Toy Story, and I hope to see you again with our next one. So until the next Percy's Fast Food Toy Story, bye-bye and see you around. Bye, toodles.